It's widely reported in the media that the Inspector General of Police has said that children who are involved in custody battles will be placed in welfare homes. The IGP's suggestion is wrong, unacceptable and laughable. Let me just give you the facts of Indira Gandhi's case. On the outset, I wish to put to the know that my firm is acting for Indira Gandhi in the custody battle of the 3 children of the family who are the father Padmanathan and converted to Islam. He is now known as Muhammad Rizwan Abdullah. The High Court of Ipoh had on the 11th of March 2010 granted custody and control of the 3 children to Indira Gandhi. The husband appealed to the Court of Appeal and to the Federal Court. This is the last appeal, and both appeals were rejected. Notwithstanding the 2010 custody order, the last child of the family, Prasanna Diska, now 5 years plus, has not been returned to Indira Gandhi. Later, on 30th of May 2014, the Ipoh High Court issued a warrant of arrest against the convert husband. The arrest of warrant was suspended for a week for Rizwan to return the child. Last Friday, Rizwan's lawyer, Engineer Anas Faisal, called over to my law office and said his client was unable to return the child as the order notice from the court was too short and he was under a lot of stress. Note, the other 2 older children are with Indira all this while. Number 2, our reply. How can the order from the court be too short a notice when the High Court had granted custody order way back 4 years ago? Actually, the child was breastfed when she was snatched away by the ex-husband some 5 years ago, and she has not seen the daughter since then. Now, who's under stress? IGP duties. The IGP is a law enforcer within the meaning of the law. He cannot and should not question the court process. If he is unaware of what to do, he should get legal advice from the Attorney General. From the IGP to suggest the children to be kept in the welfare home will not only be laughable, it is beyond the duties and obligation of a law enforcer. To place a child in a welfare home is for the relevant courts to do, definitely not the IGP. Why suddenly the IGP is taking over the role of the job of social activists, politicians and NGOs? Number 4, Home Minister cannot remain silent on what the IGP has said. I urge the Home Minister to hold up the IGP and advise him of his duties and functions before the world laughs on his position. Will the Minister do so, or he can't do anything about this? The IGP should just endorse the committal order before the people lose confidence in the police force. IGP must carry out his duties as law enforcer without fear or favor. Committal order cannot be ignored. Finally, Indira has last Friday lodged a police report demanding the police to arrest the ex-husband based on the committal order granted by the court. This has to be carried out without delay, as the police must file an affidavit if they are unsuccessful. Refusal to enforce it will be contempt of court.